Welcome to Huaao Holding Group, your global partner for one-stop cleanroom solution. Since 2013, we have been pioneering cleanroom technology for medical, electronic, and food industry worldwide. With 8 production bases, 70 subsidiaries, and over 10 million square meters of panels supplied in 2024, we lead China's cleanroom market. Our credentials include National High-Tech Enterprise status, ISO 9001 certification, SE, SGS, and UL approvals. Our clients span across diverse industries, including healthcare, pharmaceutical, aerospace, biological, laboratories, new energy, semiconductors, food production. We proudly serve industry leaders such as CATL, BYD, Foxconn. They are our cleanroom panels with features such as high strength, fire resistance, and easy installation. We can provide customized solutions according to customer requirements. This is cleanroom lamp with corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, and easy cleaning features. This is cleanroom aluminum material, which is corrosion resistant and has strong load-bearing capacity. When used with stamped panels, it can be quickly assembled into partition walls and ceiling systems, greatly shorten the construction period. This is PVC floor certified by SGS, featuring wear resistance, stain resistance, slip resistance, and antibacterial properties. It comes in 8 series, precisely matching different clean spaces. These are cleanroom windows and doors that are corrosion resistant, easy to clean, and have good air tightness. The laboratory showroom uses PVC coated panels, which has super corrosion resistant and are more suitable than ordinary color steel panels for use in highly corrosive working environment. This is the operating room. We offer one-stop solution for medical operating rooms, covering the entire process from design and construction to deliver, including modular customized surveys such as electrolytic plates, medical cabinets, and smart panels. This is a food-grade cleanroom equipped with stainless steel panels, stainless steel waterproof gutters, fingerprint-resistant cleaning doors, and anti-permeation flooring, fully meeting food production cleanliness standards. This is semiconductor clean room. We have built it in strict accordance with Class 1000 clean room standards, equipped with elevated floor, yellow light lamps, FFU, and other supporting products to effectively control airborne particles. Thank you for touring Huaao, your clean room expert. Let's work together. Contact us.